Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to fix the setup cancelled for OpenClaw AI. So if you have this issue, the first thing that you can actually try to do, either if you are on macOS or Linux or Windows, you can just go to OpenClaw website and try to quick setup again. So all you need to do is to copy the code for the setup, and then you need to go to Claw AI again and paste this code and hit on enter. As you see, what will happen here is that it will reinstall OpenClaw again and fix all the issues that happened to you while installing. So if this didn't actually fix your issue, you can try to use Docker app to actually install the OpenClaw AI inside the Docker app. So that way it will be easier, but it won't have all the access that you can do actually using the PowerShell. But I recommend trying both. If you happen to be stuck at either of these options, you can try the other option. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.